G'day guys, I want to talk to you about commercial leasing. There's signs all over the city we live in. Brisbane, here comes a big truck. We're in the middle of a big development now. They'll need iron drake down there as soon as they're finished. Clear out every single one of those apartments. Similar sort of job. Get it sorted. We're here, Robertson Street at the Valley. Now people get a sense for the space within the first 3 seconds. If you're a commercial leasing agent, make sure you get someone meticulous down there to present this place the way you want it. Clients come through that door. It's a subconscious thing. You want them to feel that space has been looked after. It's the place for their new business. They're excited. And yeah, there's the visual of the area, but you also want to make it feel subconsciously spick and span, and that comes down to attention to detail. Here we are, cafe in the valley. Girls, how are we doing? Plugging away, getting the external glass done. That's the first impression. It's important. Come on in here. So, here we are just preparing a cafe for lease. Someone's going to come in here, be excited to start a new business. They're going to walk in, they're going to get a sense of the place. How does it feel? Do they want to do action in here? Do they want to make big bank in here? Is this where they want to bring their team? You want to make sure the steel is shining, the windows are glistening, and the place feels right the moment they step through that door. Give us a call. If you're preparing a commercial property for lease, we'll have it sorted.